So we now have people on site, which is good news. Starting to set out, mark out obviously where the footings are going to be from the road. Temporary electrics have been put in. Believe it or not, that is temporary electrics. And we're going to set out here with a view to a porter cabin coming here for us to be able to use during the day. This in Barbados is called a well. It literally is what it says it is. Water collects into it. It's like a big concrete tub. But the city apparently tried to get onto the beach to do the seaweed and drove over it and crushed it, so that needs to be repaired, as they did all the curb work as well. And there's also another well just over there behind those trees. So technically this is going to be the main part of the house, 80 foot from me. It's about halfway where they are now. And then that will go over by about 40 foot this way. Okay, so we've got the actual setting out starting. This is the porch. Goes right through the back. House goes all the way over to these boys.
Have you ever looked down the road to see where their water meters are?
Yeah, no problems. So we basically got that spike there, all the way along to this spike here. And technically we are now looking at the front of the house. This is where the porch is going to end up being. Straight through, quite a wide porch. And then all of this is coming out by 3 foot. House is going to be about 6 foot on top of the land level. And then the house itself is going to have around about 10 foot ceilings. There we go. Excavator's finally turned up. Floors all set out. It is warm today. Jesus. Everything's set out. This bad boy's being delivered. And then basically all of this we can see is going to be taken out. So there'll just be a massive empty pit, about 3 foot deep, which will form the basement, etc. of the main house itself. Stills in each corner. $20-ton excavator. Apparently we needed a 12, but they didn't have a 12, so we got a 20. Go big or go home, as they say. Some labourers feeling the heat. This should be a very, very different sight in the next 24 hours. Can't come soon enough. We're coming off.
I unfortunately got whacked with an elbow in one of my eyes and messed it up, but I need to wear glasses for that. But the more I don't wear them, the better it seems my vision is getting. I mean, driving.
Yeah, the fine print is got me.
Yeah.
That's
Fine
fine
print
print.
got me.
Yeah. Like if I can remember one night I went to the supermarket to get my girlfriend some, you know, the Panadols for stomach pain.
Yeah.
And like for the life of me, I could not get that fine print read. You know? I had to ask the girl, you could tell me what it is. I had me feeling old, man.
Yeah.
Take a picture and zoom in.
I do not know.
Yeah, that's what I
do not know.
Going in. Here we go. The first bucket going in. That's it. That's how you don't damage the curb. That's how you don't damage the curb.
We're going to end up putting that curve back bucket.
No. Yeah. Half it's destroyed. So half it's destroyed. A courteous Bayesian. Like it. So the courteous Bayesian. Can't beat that. Thank you very much.
Stop damaging the curb.
Yeah. Last load from the floor being taken away. That's Barbados' version of a grab lorry. Very different than ours, obviously. Must better get all that in there. Come on. One load. Fingers crossed. One load saves me another 175. Starting to turn into a bit of a swimming pool bowl. It's getting bigger. Small rocks on the bottom. Eventually all this will be done the same. Now 20 to 5. Starting to take a bit of shape. Become a big hole. And the sand keeps coming. 5:30. The boy's still working. Pushing sand around the plot herself, trying to level out. The sun's going down and the sun is now bearable. Amazing. Who said Bayesians don't like work? 20 to 7 and the boys are still going. We've got sand all the way down here. We're pretty much dug out. We've got more sand over there. We've got a lot of sand. So apparently they're going to go until about 7 o'clock. So I reckon they should have that done by 7, which means we can wrap up and finish for the night. A half a day, but a half a day done well. Great news.